Backstraps metal. 9 inches. 10-pack. Metal. Top reviews from the United States. Bendable brackets to mount stuff. These work well for what they are designed to do. I actually used an alternative bracket, but I had found something better. These worked fine. Worked perfectly. I used these to replace some failed supports for a roof fan and used a much higher grade stainless nut, bolt, lock washer combination on the shell. The original straps appear to have corroded chiefly at the flex point. See photo. I am hoping these backstraps last much longer and fare better than the original lackluster, cheap Chinese metal.